The most interesting thing is, I was at the stadium on Sunday. Hey, I know, hey, lapha kuyasheshwa lapha. So I don't know my predictions. I think mid-season beyithi singizini ihamba nayo. But hey, ayikonakele ngeweekend angade ume kuphi nasamba nawe ngathi nje uyayigocota udibekela yakho i-prediction ungathi ishona kuphi the league tight.
Vele ngifaka test sport.
Yeah.
But nje angicabanga ukuthi labonakala egcineni. The way lengibuka ngakhona ukuthi ngibona ngathi insingizini hayi selifakile linyawo.
Yeah, because they've got, I think, four players that are from Mbabane Swallows. They are title-winning players, so they know how it feels like, what needs to be done, especially because now it's crunch time. It's no longer yabo ukuthi sadlala nje sawubona nasephelini. Uyababona abantu labaperforma ngekuthi, I mean, we've been here before. So how does the experience count na sekufike ema games like cishe abe kanjalo?
Yeah, njengoba usho nje Ndoshi. Kunema players la kunsingizini la suka kuSwalo.
Yeah.
And badlala ema games yabona ema games are serious. So those players vele banayo le experience. With a mix ema players abatawathola labathola kumsingizini. I think leyo experience ya those players imcwa kakhulu, especially when it comes to inazana league. Vele ufuna ube nayo i-experience in as much as ungaba nawo ema-youngsters akho, but then the experience counts.
Yeah, counts. Yeah. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's our prediction for 2024-2025 season. I watched the game. I saw a whole lot of things. I'm going to speak about them because I'm thinking ukuthi naye wanda utawat ukuthi umuthi yasebenza noma usebenza ngoba lapha ngozi yami hey bese kubhizi ngemuthi. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the podcast that really matters in the kingdom of Eswatini. Sisethu khasa simnandi sinjeya basichasile, but you know what, chill with the legends. Thina nani sitawube sesiyajabula nje. And for the very first time, I have the legendary Samba Jive Wanda Nhleko on our episode, or this episode. He's on the bench lapha ke bench talk.
Yeah.
Nyathi ukuthi bongalijwayela il-bench. So nyaloke sesikufaka ebenchini sivele siyachila. And you know what's more exciting, we didn't have this chat off air, but I'm also a bettinger. As lang fike betting, imvole ngafike ngayikhanza bekudid for Dawanda. And you know, I was like, the calendar lapha wawukhona, because back in the day nangabe vele usebenzile esikoleni.
Yeah.
Bese kubona ngikuthi uvele calendar. Just le kapa level bovu.
Yes.
Na black, it was black and red, and then black shorts. Everyone was speaking about this goal walshaya emshawa was a center. Wanda, please. And then take us through that whole goal khulunywa ngayo ishiselweni yonke for I think more than 10 years, because bakhuluma nanyana longa khuluma ngebantu labafunze bearing back then, but akutshela ukuthi Wanda actually scored goal as a center. Introduce yourself.
Angivusele kubabukeli. Ngivusele Ndoshi.
Yeah.
Ngicabanga ukuthi emagoli amaningi ngiwashayile man. Lo khuluma ngalo ngisalikhumbula. And by that time vele bengisese intwana vele bengisay virgin. But yeah.
Chotnyalo sasiyo.
Yeah, I knew.
How sasiyo?
Sengimantwana.
Oh, okay. Right.
Yeah, but then ngaleso sikhathi leso bengu pick yami vele bengisadlala mbamba, and I think bekungisitha kakhulu ngaleso sikhathi leso sibenginayo nale energy yabo nale bhola vele beyikhona bengimnandi ke vele. So yeah, it was a good goal.
But emzini beba khona la bebalifrustana le bhola.
Yeah, emzini bakhona ikhona intwana yakithi lencane iLasbon ike yadlala ike yavela na Khayelenda yaphinze yabuyela emuva, but then the problem kwaba ukuthi ke le level bese ilapha man for yena ukuthi angavela nalokuthi abantu ba recognize ukuthi lento blind lena
Yeah.
because mina ngase ngibeka le tulu kakhulu
Yeah,
le level yabona so yeah but nje bakhona
Okay.
Yeah.
And then now, being a Beringer, I think that has to be a pride. Yeah, noma ngabe ngibani lo bekafunza eshiselweni nalabanye labenge abangafunza eshiselweni bebati about the University of the South. How did that whole experience yakwakha waba ngumuntu lo kanjani, the whole educational system, high school seBering, you're winning Coca, was it Coca
Yeah, it was
CONCACAF, what was it?
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola,
Yeah.
yeah. How was the whole experience? Le school nale ma sports kanye na head teacher, was it Babe Temba? I mean, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. How was it?
No, it was good. It was good, especially when it comes to kuba strict nje negu hlonipha negu siwathi kuthi nabe ungumntwana esikole ubehave kanjani yabo, because I think you remember angathi uma umthola babedlamini
Angamthola babedlamini.
yeah so
Badla
he was very
amajezulu.
strict.
Yawuduma lingithatha.
Kakhulu
Atinakanoya lapho kuwathi kuthi hayi.
yeah even noma aphuma nje office la
Yeah.
break time bantwana bata ugijima bangena ema classes just because bayadi ukuthi the out ayivani nena so kwangisita kakhulu lokuthi ngathi nje ukuthi eish abantu abasala ufuna ngibahloniphe and how do I carry myself nje ebantwini, you understand that invert kanjalo nakuthi nje nangigcokile how do I wear yabo ngavele ngilengisete impahla ene bangakufuni kakhulu ke lokho ngilengisete impahla so ugcoke snacks, you understand so yeah kwangisuta kakhulu.
Yeah. And I think for me it has to be his dedication in my sports. There was rumors ukuthi kunebamfu bebangabhadala esikolweni nangabe badlala ibhola noma bayagijima bobhadala wena.
Bengibhadala abengikwenda konke mina bengathola ama favors lawo bengikwenda konke yeah.
So you came in as umntwana esikolo nje bakudiscover la khasi, you were not recruited or something.
Yeah ngafika nje ngumntwana esikolo nje.
Hey and bekavami ukuthi umdlali webhola no laba beba you know laba beba ngaka recruiter bebangavami bese bayashine, but laba beba recruitiwe yeah bokhanza vele ukuthi no bayashine. And then how was the whole experience ke ngoba kunelicembu lengilatiko lapha ngathi noma ke bowutsinzekile nalo, but bengiliva nabalimemethele eRedway. I thought that was like the most fanciest name at that time because it was genuine and beyiveta ukuthi labadlala kubadlala iqenjini lenjani. I don't know if you remember Keke Happy Stars.
Yeah.
Is that where you come from?
Yeah, it's where I come from. Ngivele ngalo lecembu lela eka Premier League, but ke i-team nje yasenzaweni
Sekhona nje.
Seyafa.
Nobulalelana nama team.
Seyafa man kuthi kwase kubangwa kakhulu. Seyafa igege yebusasa. But ke ngiyakiyo igege bengidlala kulenye team yami khona lapha eNanzane enzaweni. So bangicela ukuthi ngidlalele yona just because babona ukuthi ayishi lentwana ngasimnandi yabo.
Yeah.
So bathi hayi cela ubuye ngala
Bambisi.
Yeah, because bebadlala enhlangano bona so ku league. Yeah, so I went there ngiyobasita suddenly sathola i-promotion.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, then
nafike nadlala isizini yinye.
No, okay, bahlala isizini yinye.
Because wena wasala wena.
Yeah, mine after sune ma playoffs ngase ngiya ku Denver Sundowns. Labaningi batakhumbula sa. I went to Denver Sundowns.
Who recruited you at Denver Sundowns?
Oh, there was a guy that was Shoes Bennett. I think
Yeah,
Sundowns lower Afro. Yeah, nguye cishe lwangirecruiter ukuthi ngiye Sundowns because bekanekuya vele kokubukela ama games nakudlalwa enhlangano, especially nakudlala tikolo nakudlala bo Bering. Yeah, so beka attenda le, so wabanayo ke le into ukuthi angibuye ngala emakhalathini ndo wasitha
Bokazini.
yeah.
what? Ngangishayisa wena. Man, ngiyayiva lenzaba. So now, are you saying umcoka vele lokuthi leli talent esichubeke silifune letikolweni?
Yes. Kumcwa kakhulu. Talent vele nilibona khona letikolweni. Etikolweni naloko ma juniors lokudlala ko lemakhaya nalemakhuleni nje kusitokufeli yabona kubantwana okuncane ukuthola lapho badlale lacishe ene futhi ke labo ngilaba lothola ukuthi basengangene etinpheni yabona ukuthi base serious, you understand, batimisela whatever they do bakwenda nje wholeheartedly and kude ukuthi sofuna simncenge simlanze endlini, you understand.
Hayi nine labanyalo wandase bayancengwa labanye bakhona basasifuna lesigele.
Yes, maye inkinga ke leyo because in as much udlala ibhola ufuna ukuthi nalesigele sibe khona because la nasodlala nje like serious like professionally kunema contracts ekufanele wafunze, kunabo coach othola ukuthi hayi akasathi iswati masilumbi, understand, so lesigele simcoka.
But please emphasize man wonder yabona lamantwana la kakhona nyalo angathi ukuthi sidothini ayina akayifuni bamba le bhola, drop out from 3 titshela ngedisk, drop out ka from 4 titshela ngedisk or angasicethe nje lesigele and yet you know very well ukuthi njengoba usho there's a contract issue dokwenza ukuthi utawuthola coach that's non-Swati speaking coach vele so uphumile la kangwane also utawuhamba uye emaveni khanze ukuthi akusasisona leSwati akusasisona lesingisi say French funa vele eclassini yofunza le French. So please emphasize on the school ukuthi usho ukuthi wena ayisigelo sibone sisebenza lapha nalapha atokhona kuva labantwana.
No, kumcwa kakhulu butami. Vele bafana bamanje abasasithatha serious lesipolo kani na ushayisa ngala ebholeni because vele ngeke uthole ukuthi une group yakho ema players yonke itaba successful in life, uthole ukuthi iyachubeka nenazana ne career yayo, abanye batawushayisa somehow la kumele ukuthi babuyele ngala ku academic work. At least lapho there's something to fall back on ukuthi ebholeni sengishayisile okay sharp ngala esigele ngemnandi yabo ngiyakhona ukuchubeka cishe
because in all honesty football is like a 10-year career period, like maybe 20 to 30 now push
I think it's ngempela lo shay 20
ngwena oshaye more than 20 wena upushile and upushe kakhulu shoes recruits you so udlala lapha ngile squad sabo Dennis
go Dennis tap lunch
nabo fun
tap lunch funny tap lunch yebo okay sipho tap lunch basahambile nangifika bekunabo Lavington Mkhumane
manje umkhumbula wabuka eceleni lo Mkhumane
sekuthi bekuyiBrian besibana naye
okay
bekuyi Rotman leGrand ngithanza advisor kancane sehleli fast nawe boy ufuna wente so bekungile time alelo nje bonke nabo general cishe onke lamatime bonke nabo general bebathanza lokuthi yabo advise bakubonise wherever la babona ukuthi khona yashayisa manje hayi then base bakhona ukuhlala phansi nabo baseyiboy kwento akaso.
And that team was actually full of talent like that. I think that team was full of talent, especially when you speak about Fani, General Teplanch, may his soul rest in peace. The things that you because tinebe sayilalela bese akakhona lokuyale stadium le team vula bebakhuluma ngato, and then how do you as a southerner long wanda samba jive loqhamuka enhlangano, how do you come into that team and how do you fit in their style of play?
Sekuthi mina I think nginayo le gift ukuthi ngiyakhona ku-adjusta to any style. Kick and follow angimnandi nawugijima as you know nginaso speed.
I know speed
na besidlala ngikhona phathiza uyati ngemnandi so ngakhona kanjalo lokufitha in because Sundowns I think uyakhumbula ukuthi bekuyi team lebedlala betingabelieve ekuyishaya
yeah I know bengashaywa lapha
kanti nangisuka ngale KK Pistons bethi la so ngakhona lokhu adjust but then kwacala kwaba i-problem kancane nangifika maybe some 6 months or so ngisazama ku-adjust after that hayi ngase ngiba mnandi
not beyishaya legege. Does that mean le development maybe aleshiselweni isemuva noma beyisemuva at that time compared to ngala development because ngicabanga ukuthi for you to adjust in 6 months bekusho ukuthi you had to learn ukuthi lapha mfana ngoba bo general but no shy ball ushaye moyeni bathi ngiyacabanga ngalo the development le ngemuva ishiselweni uthi beyinjani kho because nala nabafika vele ngala basinabajika nalamhla lokhu kude bamla badliswa njengalapha ka Premier
but I think akusiko eshiselweni kuphela I think lama teams ale makhaya cishe le development vele ayikho kahle because cishe onke ama teams nangathi uyachecka cishe onke ama teams adlala emakhaya kude lokuthi nilandzela lama basics team ya controller uphasa kahle ungana into space yabona info leto bona ba believela ukuthi funa sifucane silwe sikhahlelane nangiyithola mina ngikhahlela embili siyaya yabona so ngicabanga ukuthi emakhaya
akhumbula captain besimkhetha ngithi ngibalo ushaya idulu
kakhulu yabona na ushaya kakhulu vele bese kubeka captain but ngalana sekubukwa lengcondo ukuthi lona nakacabanga kanjena ingathi angayihola le team just because usebenza ema brains kakhulu yabo so i development lemakhaya
beyisemuva some other regions ngoba ngiyayiva lenzaba yegege ngoba ngiyakhumbula igege Happy Stars nakubitwa Scobo wathi nje ukuthi hayi igege Nkosi yami le bakhona labanye labasala ngaphandle kwakho la ka Prim from gege
okay bakhona labasala but nabo sebayeka kukhona Small Shabalala nje if you can remember very well bekadlala ku Sundowns naye bekuna Elias Blakati besimbita ngaDalos naye bekadlala ku Sundowns
so nguwe lo abavulela indlela ku Sundowns
kahle ngasho njalo ukuthi hayi ngene la kuvela tasithabona
sekunendlela something lapha nyana
kuna Collins Salelwako
I remember Collins Salelwako speedy winger
from Gege naye
unema
so kwase kuba kuvuleka lendlela sothi kahle ngabhule ematoni
I know baba I remember Collins Salelwako sajima lapha Centuries. I remember Collins Salelwako nabo Lino Makakula kule squad leso ke we
I
know bese right kakhulu leso leto dlalo trade fair
kakhulu
I know
besiphethe ma Rotman bo general
bo general vele la so bese right kakhulu bekadadadelwa lapha
cabana washaya ibhola ungayilahla tilethela
ibisela Did you enjoy your football though? Sundowns.
Kakhulu. I enjoy nabe team idlala ibhola. Ingayikhahlele.
Which is your strongest point.
So Sundowns vele even na le boss yakhona Tam. Was believing ukuthi we have to play ibhola. Singayikhahlele embili. Na ushaya embili beve ngathi I know akusumdlali wethu ke. Dathuka uhlela bench. Yasuse bench le.
Because it with my eyes. Yes, bone ngawe ukuthi kwenteka njalo. And then after Sundowns usuka lapho uya.
After Sundowns ngase ngiye South Africa.
Straight up.
But nje Sundowns ngadlala 2 seasons. 2 seasons. Ngangena ku national team bangibona labantu bale Limpopo. Bangilanza ngase ngiyaku
bekubani Limpopo
Black Leopards
Bekleba.
Yeah.
Lidota tuba.
Lidotatuba, yeah. Lidotatuba.
Henda, very mean.
Yeah, what do you mean?
Was it Begungban post TDL? Was it TDL?
Yeah,
Bese kubere TDL.
Yeah, begung TDL.
No, it's been. I know it's been TDL. Because na sikhuluma la who else lo aya ku Dota Tuba ngundezi.
Ngundezi Naspo.
Naspo.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
did they go before you noma?
Yeah, they went there before me. Mina ngibathola sebalevel.
Just bakulanza now.
Bona bonke.
Bondezi na
Bebangekho.
Naspo. Wona ufika ubakhanza basekho.
No, bebangekho nabatongilanza ngala. Mina ngalanza ngo-TDL.
Straight.
Yeah, ngikhumbula nje bekuyigame yesihlangu isihlangu eLibya kaSomhlolo.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was there. After the game then he talked to me I
Futhi TDL anakafika ku.
Kude sothi nje bese bamthiphile lokuthi kunentwana ledlalako ngale yabo maybe you should come and watch him wase uyeda ke sidlala neLibya after the game ngakhuluma naye yabona ukuthi esingavani kahle ngalethi phela nabashale le language
pair
yabo but nje waba nako lokuthi I'm a good player so we interested kumanazana kuma services sami so yeah was high.
So bathini bayikhulumisa iSundowns noma bese iphelile icontract?
No, iSundowns bayikhulumisa kahle yakhulunyiswa iagent.
Awusovela neagent?
Yeah, bengine agent ngaleso sikhathi leso.
Bengasecelani.
Nguye.
Celani ngiyamfuna celani. Hayi lenzaba yakho udayiva nawe. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi at that time umumula bakhuluma ngaye most of the people that I've sat with bakhuluma ngacelani. Yeah. Uyakhulumela ke celani uyacela.
Yeah, bonke celani hayi. Wahlanganisa ideal bonke kwaba right. Wakhuluma neSundowns, wakhuluma nenazana neTDL on the other side. Hayi, yonke into yabashapa.
Bakuthengisa ngamalini?
Ngisakhumbula mina ngisakhumbula athi angisakhumbula but ngiyakhumbula lokuthi I signing on like
signing
I remember ukuthi ngathola 50 signing on.
Which year was this?
50,000. It was 2002.
I know
2002. Yeah.
Khengceng awuzange zobathola lebo zero labangaka empilweni.
Bengicala vele.
Yeah.
Bengicala yeah.
Wathuka now.
Ngathuka
nale account ya 2.
Yetha ngase ngasho sa.
Now
ngisedintweni.
Now ngena no 50 uthini one.
Hawu ngathini? Kude kujabula nje kujabula sekuthi ngaleso sikhathi bengakhona lokhu enjoy kahle because vele bese ngivele that side
yeah
so, yeah
kanzi phela vele hey naso ulibundile ufuna babone
mfethu yathi imali hey banze sona
imbanze so
yakuvusa noma uleni latithi nje ngicencenge nga 12 hayi uva ngathi ayangivuke
but hayi nongisafuna kulala ithi hayi abantu kuthi nemali
lapho usakhona kulala
ahamba check
cabanga kuphuma
yeah
Ngicabanga leso sikhathi abantu bonke balele wena sofuna kuphuma because ikungenile.
But wonder you emaphepha angathi maybe you confirm it, you've never been someone lo nathako noma lo na uphuma yapi ngemali yakho na ingena nga 12 esondweni uyapi nga 12
nje ukona phela ukuthi imbanze yesona ngathi ku evil in a way because ucabanga nje so ucabanga kahle nje uhleli phansi uma senses wakho udovanga 12 uyephi
vele
uthenga kuphi la kuwe khona
I mean
yabo
khona sokuthengiswa khona nga 12 but as unganaki kakhulu
yeah evele mina ngeke ngathi
no baba lamgaqweni yeah ngiyahamba now but singabajambiseli inyanga but baba khona. And then the language barrier, was it difficult for you adapting the Dota Tuba?
Yeah, beku difficult kancane because emavenda ungakhuluma Swati asangene asangana akeva next but wakhuluma Zulu hayi sekayeva manje
ukuthi uthini
and nathi siyavuka siSwati neSizulu hayi man cishe indlu le cishe into lefanayo hlukani nje labo Z nabo yabo
washintsha
washintsha wafaka labo Z sebayeva ke wafaka bo CC hayi
lahla
ubalahlile so
and it was hard getting into the team considering you're a foreigner because the assumption is I don't know with the whole standard of football that we have now. Back in the day when you were a foreigner and playing in our league, you had to be exceptionally good. So now when you get into Black Leopards, how's you getting into the team? Like, did you get into the team easily? No matter what struggle and get a team.
I think ngasho ukuthi kwaba easy because mina nangifika lena ngavele ngena eteamini angizange ngikompete angizange ngenteni first game laba khumbulayo batawukhumbula i-first game yami bezala ne Ajax Cape Town sidlala khona le event beku Coca-Cola Cup that was my first game and our bengu first 11 ngangena ku first 11 from there ngayibamba why
mabonus
ngayithanzi imali
no ngifuna batshela ukuthi nabakadimisela bakakhaza bathola le mali
mabonus vela ahlala khona ahlala khona mabonus
intidiyela bekayidedela
bekayidedela but nje bekakubuka emehlweni lona yadi nemali but ke vele kulokuma cups vele bayihlala ikhona imali becishe bekuba ku league la ngathi iya FIFA but ke ema cups bothola nje ukuthi uyaphuma na 5000 in a game yabo player in a game yamthola 5000 because ama cups vele
I've been babi kakhulu la
man
all right you have a good run of play how many goals are you scoring there bekubani badlali also khona igama lipheke ngena ngathi noma bebakulini bomlondo squifile bekalekeni
I remember the name
ngiyakubathe emlondo squifile
I guess na Rutsani Ramutsuru
ngiyamani na Rutsani
Ramutsuru Rutsani Ramutsuru Godfrey Ramutsuru
Godfrey I can't
remember Coxwell Rachiva Delo bebabanengi nje sekuthi magama la inazana esivenda agcina khohlweka ngiyabona niyadlala
and then the winnings are you guys winning noma ni mid table niya performer maybe kuma clubs
lapho mina ngafika ngesikhathi eswrong vele beba fight le relegation ebeku blind beba fight le relegation so every game besidlala beku tough beku tough because nangikhumbula kahle nje i-team be from the bottom. So vele bekuliwa uthola ukuthi nazidlala ema games lasi siyawina nalaba langatulu kwethu bayawina yabo beku blind cishe onke ama games vele bothola ukuthi hayi tight
but you survived
we did survive ekugcineni bona ema games
ma playoffs noma nje before kuyo ma playoffs
before give my playoffs sa survive nje ukuthi we staying go Premier League
and then the team ibese sekuthengisaneni but did you play with Ndezi
I played with Ndezi naSipoko
khona le
bezidlala kanye
nabafika lena nifika nabomkhaya
vele saba bomkhaya
bani ofika cala ngiyibona noma ngo
okay lo wafika kucala ngoSipoko then Ndezi weta later mina ngaba wegcina bajo ngaba wegcina
at least wakhanza abantu
ngicabanga ukuthi lokunye ngiko lokwenda ukuthi ilife yami ibe
ngconywana
cause ngathola labo bhuti bami lawo
sebavele bakhona ngalo
everything was fine
and then who were you close with noma bekungibona nje labangithulo bo close
ubengiclose
basiza usitshelile ukuthi bese bakhe union bamaswati lapha nabo Yuki yabosiza What's bese kasangeni move because bona bange maswati bebasani union yabo nje lapha so where you close it
nabo bonke nje cishe bonke 2 because nasendlini besala sonke cishe nje bebathi ukuthi ayiflete maswati le yabo
vele banisho na bese nifika lapha niba nenakuzane.
But kuyatendakalela.
Yeah, kuyatendakalela. I mean vele umuntu lenijwayelene noma lo ukhuluma same language na.
Yeah, kuba easy.
Ngoba le Limpopo botando bakhuluma ngekuthi kunemabhodo la ndize emini nemishanyelo lendize emoyeni. Nanifika kutunnel niyolungisa tinvoteni noma lengekhathi dressing room nine benayo yini mutimeni wenu ngoba behleli necane emilile ebusuku noma uyakuthusa lenzayo
Yangithusa lenzayo angikwadi lo but izingibukani wangibuka nje
bathi ngivuma senihamba nithi hayi bakuloye Limpopo kanzi nje nathi una ukusida la
babelo ngathi ugatse nje ukuthi ukucamba emanga no but lokwemithi vele kukhona ebholeni ene lena vele
ekhaya
besikwenda besikwenda lokwecimililo angikwadi yeah angikwadi but nje ke
ukuze esibongo babakhomba ngala kuchisa
yeah umuthi ukhona ebholeni besikwenda nathi ngalesa sikhathi lesa bothola ukuthi yafika tinyanga lenye ichamuka kuphi lenye ichamuka kuphi vele ebholeni I think now you know even in Swaziland it happened cishe onke ama team anawo lo muthi
yeah and then you move from
but tsine hayi besingawendi
I mean Black Leopards
no tsine as emaswati
benikhaza sebaniphekele lapha
besikhaza sebendile nje bende indvodalo
bendalijezi noma bageza nini
okay nathi bebasigeza ejezi bebalenda okay ema groundini
yeah hayi iyahlupa lena ngoba hey nalapha bakhalisa ukuthi lo munye beka phethe isigubhu bawisana ukuthi lesigubhu befuna siyotsela hayi bese kukabi nje anyways now we are so Black Leopards. Which team are you playing for?
Okay, ku Black Leopards ngasuswa ukuthi ngaba nema injuries yeah ngabanjwa ama groins cishe tongithule tinyawo both legs ngaba nema groins sathi nje nasicetha isizini angibamba siya off season nje mina sengiphethwe ama groins and ma games ekugcina bese ngasakhona kwadlala kahle just because bese ngasasiko right yabo
yeah
so ngabuya ngala ekhaya off season the following season
bedlala lo muthi phela igroin bese kilile
hayi lokuma injuries ngicabanga ukuthi ngadlala kakhulu I think ngadlala ngathi
bekusethe nabo recovery ke lapha
yebo bekude nabo recovery nalokuthi every time bengu first 11 dlala lokhu 90 minutes and onke ama games ayatexa yabo so bengakhona ukuphumula kahle I think ngiko lokwangishaya kakhulu yeah so I came here nga relaxa before uqala season beta bathi ba interested ukuthi ngirenew ngabatshela ngalenkinga yema-groins bathi no it's fine because i-injury labayadiko bathi angisayine i-contract ngasayina yacala isizini I had to go back no-reporter then yacala isizini yabo lokhu semagame aba-10 mina solo ngakhona ukuthi ngirecover trend ngibe sharp ngavele ngingadlali baba nalokuthi ke problem angiholela into yadi ke ama teams angiholela awudlali wena so ngase ngidecide ukuthi I know let's terminate the contract I terminate the contract ngabuya ngala ekhaya into okukhona ukuthi nesa kahle ngirecover ngahlala for 6 months ngihlele ekhaya ngathi nase ngisharp ke ngase ngiya ku Swalo la khaya.
Was it before Malandi?
Yeah, it was before Malandi.
Okay.
Yeah, it was 2006 ngikhumbula kahle. Yeah. It was before Malandi. Ngase ngidlala ku Swalo ke hayi ngamashap.
So now uyadlala ku Swalo sekuphethe the late Victor Kamenze?
Yes.
Not yet. Yeah. So Pete. I like Kuswalo, are you playing and then going back to SA? Noma wabuya kuswalo
kuswalo ngadlala until kuze kuphela isizini 2006 nakuphela isizini then
nabo Darren
yes nabo Darren nabo Teribo bombonoti bosibo yonke le bekuthiwa
Magalaticos
bekuthiwa tsunami I think now nabuyakhumbula kahle
ngakhumbula nje ukuthi no beni team le right nabo Darren
so nakuphela leyo season leyo ngabuyela emva South Africa ngaya ku FCAK
that's in Durban.
No, it's in Joburg.
Joburg, because season naye wakhuluma nge-FCAK. So you playing
naye ngadlala naye
lo FCAK.
Yeah, satholana ke FCAK.
Okay, signing on fee. No ngiyabuda ukuthi bayakusayina i-FCAK.
Yeah, bayangisayini i-FCAK.
Cela nosekhona.
No, hayi lapho bese ngimyekele.
Oh, so myekele. So wetvala lapho.
Yeah, lapho bese ngingedwa.
Ne-FCAK kunika Zumbulu.
Kwamele.
Seke saba nekubuta lezizumbulu.
Hayi ungasibuti. Hayi ungasibuti.
Yathile ngifuna ukuthi babe motivated lekhaya ukuthi no yathi kuthini isizumbulu yasithola
now depends. Engakusho ukuthi it was a big money.
It was bigger than Little Duba.
Yeah, it was bigger than Little Duba.
I'm sure it was double. Or triple.
Lapho nje.
Or triple.
Lapho nje.
Or four bull.
Hey, yabona wena nto.
Or four bull.
Yeah, gonna be inkulu.
FCAK. How long did you play there?
Ngadlala isizini yinye. Waselo mphathi wakho na uba nedinkinga.
Ngakhumbula ke ukuthi waba nedinkinga vele ekhaya.
So ngase ngaku Platinum Stars.
Now unyuka phinze Platinum Stars yatiwa njengebamvu labanemali. Now ufika khona, how was your stay there?
No.
How long did you play Platinum Stars? Was it silver? It was still Silver Stars?
Yeah, it was Silver Stars. Nasifika nje beku Silver Stars.
Yeah. Nadunga, right?
After season lay one, siya change. Yaba iPlatinum.
Nadunga.
Dunga ngamthola sekahambile.
Amthola sekahambile. Yeah.
Ngamthola sekahambile Dunga. Ngasi nangifika nje mina ngathola ukuthi hayi so fayile ngadlala ku Silver Stars for that season. The following season yasiya change by Platinum Stars.
All right. Then you come home.
After that, because ngadlala lapho 3 seasons.
But they paying well though, Silver Stars.
Yeah. Especially nje nangena labantu bePlatinum.
Yeah.
Nasikhuluma ngePlatinum now uyeva.
I know ngiyeva. And kwashintsha kakhulu futhi lapho ngiyibona ukuthi kwashintsha kakhulu.
Yeah. So bebabhadala kahle but nje nakuphela inanzana icontract yami ku Silver Stars ngase ngiya ku Blackburn Rovers yase Eastern Cape.
No.
Yase
because ngiyakhumbula ngibathi bengikhuluma nawe ke ukuthi bowushaya ngegets yakho lebeyiblue lapha bengiwanda lapha sonke sibuke ukuthi nangiwanda lapha nelikepisi Baba sithe
ngenaphi ilikepisi abona.
And then there's those teams in South Africa which was the highest paying in as far as salary is concerned and then the lowest paying.
Lebetbhatala kahle vele bekungilabo Chiefs. Ngaleso sikhathi bekungilabo Chiefs. Okay, Sundowns.
No, liyabhatala wena.
Oh, liyabhatala mina.
Like when your highest amount and then your lowest amount.
I think okay, yeah, lebeyibhatala kakhulu iPlatinum Stars.
The salary was
it was plus minus 40.
Plus minus 40. And I know baby bam. This is 2008, 9.
Yeah, 2009.
9.
Yeah.
I know baby. Yeah. And then the lowest, South Africa still.
In South Africa. The lowest kwaba go Blackburn Rovers. Yeah, I think that begung 10,000.
Yeah. And then you make a sensational comeback, Ekhaya. Was that you going to Malandi? We are Malandi. Tell us yohlala.
Yeah, okay, kahle ngabuya ngalana ngekuthi ngathola ngigumese that time.
Ngibona bekumetse.
since usesehledi yini ungarecoverli eSwaziland then asobona ukuthi inazana yakho ya pick up uba right then you can come back to South Africa. So ngida kanjalo kumalandi ngathi ngibe ngala khaya ngito khona ku relax khona
ngesinema injuries
unfortunately nangisadlala base kachamuka Gameze wathi hayi wena usabuyele emuva awasangidisturba kuma plan ami
ekujika
asibuya ngala
Gameze athi usajiki Gameze uthi awusajiki nje uphethe imvilopho
hey yabona lo mntwana yabona ndoshayi no
uthi Gameze awusajiki but uphethe imvilopho. Because I remember what he was building, and may his soul rest in peace. What he was building, ngaleso sikhathi, bobona ukuthi it's something that's going to last for more than 10 seasons. Because lendlela la bese kakha ngayo, his vision was not only Eswatini, but it was to conquer Africa, which is why we saw you guys migrate from dominating the league. Back to back to moving up Africa. Iswalo namanje na ungathi uyabuta bayisayisaba nalamuhla. Yebo. Now so take me back to Babe Gameze ke nakafika uthini mahleni.
Kude lokungako. Kude lokungako la bekakupheze. Sekuthi nje yena beka nale vision yakhe ufuna kuhlanganisa quality players atokhona ku achieve lama goals akhe ngoba usho ukuthi aim yakhe beku conquerisha inazana iAfrica so nami nayibeka lento yakhe kuseshi nema plans la kaso ngabona lokuthi maybe going back to South Africa it can be a waste angibuye ekhaya ngitodlala because I think here in Swaziland you play free ngalokuthi kusekhaya than playing in South Africa where kufuneka ukuthi
foreigner
correct
and you need to shine. This is what I'm saying. I don't understand how we are recruiting, no offense, but I don't understand the recruitment policy ukuthi says the recruiter umvulo as a foreigner loto dlala nganto toyi2 we have been known to recruit foreigners la equality. Lilepo was also in your season. Benimheshisa lo Lilepo
besimshaya bahlala sebenjini
besimshaya
lona
uyadlala njalo
so vele now South Africa kwamele ukuthi udlale mbamba ube serious newade lokuthi udele in lapha because those people they are professionals bafuna imali bona if utawuchamuka ufikele uyohlala ebenchini angeke bakutolerate lo so bafuna ukuthi udlale game in game out so kunaleyo pressure nje ufuna uperform lokuthi nje ulforeigner
whether you like it or not
so kwamele uperform kwamele futhi ungadle ama-ice lapha ebenchini yabo
and then your teammates like awahlanganisako Babe Gameze at that time bobani lo weva ukuthi okay because I don't think kwakulanza nje ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi usho labantu la kabe so uyabona ukuthi I know siyakhashana bobani labe bakhona at that time la kabalanza
cishe the whole team because now ukhumbula kahle bekunabo okay mina nangichamuka eSouth Africa wangilanza na civil
ngimkhumbula civil Matsebo
was a good player too. Bona kunabo Terrible Bembe top striker kunabo Darren the best winger kunabo Mgono Disidel kunabo uwawa Mazibuko
namkhumbula captain
Bomenzi Gameze yebo so bekhona le quality nabo Mzwandile
Zu
kunabo Zu the late his soul rest in peace I think the whole squad nje besibalance
benvinjelo ngibani
besine quality bekuna bekuna para Friday
Yeah.
Shongwe. Yes, bekuna Friday Shongwe. Okay, na some guy bathi ngimakhosini beka reserve goalkeeper.
Yeah.
But nje ke nawuthi ubuka le squad sa that time besibalansile in all the positions. And nale depth bekhona lokuthi ngabe mhlambe ubani ulimele ukhona utam replacer. Other guys ngimkhohlwako
because
eSouth Africa Siphamandla
yes.
naye bekakhona he was a good winger. So let depth bekhona.
Yeah, ngabi kakhulu lapho
ne quality nayo.
Yeah, ngoba angiboni ishaywa lapho.
Yeah, that's why bagcina bayibita nge-tsunami.
Yeah, because you had to, I mean, bekufuna ukuthi nihlipite nakule bese sikujwayele ukuthi ama forces ngiyo la cishe ngathi ayawina. You stopped that domination. Now you are moving to Africa. How did that feel? Le Africa and the whole experience with moving out of Eswatini nalo seniqala senya lapha.
Zalima games Africa. Hayi bekuyi experience lemcwa kakhulu.
Naniphatha njani vele nangale? Namanye ama team.
Nasiphumile eku rough. Lapho ku rough lapho lapho yimbi kahle lapho. Lapho bone kuthola ukuthi uye stadium uhambe 5 hours uye stadium. Nase nicedzile ukudlala uhambe 30 minutes. Lokusho ukuthi they will always make sure ukuthi baniphatha kabi. Yabo.
Yeah.
5 hours nje bekunhlukumeda ukuthi before uqala igame bese nikhathele yabo.
Yeah. Ngasafundo.
Thola ukuthi kunema club yabona idiyagumbaza the whole night uze kuse.
Yeah.
Nemindozolo yabo. I know. Ngaphandle ku rough. Yeah, it's fine because thina besifika nasifika ngalana.
Inbanese ophatheke kahle. Hey, yabo. And then also, before we even move out, your experience in national team, how was it? Nje?
Yeah, it was good, especially ngalokuthi mina ngifike vele ngiseyintwana lencane. Yeah, ngifike ngimncane. Cishe nje bengimncane nabo bonke lapha. Ngithole ma Rotman labo Baresa, bombazo Gametse.
Yeah. Malume.
Yeah, Bostopa.
Yeah, Nyambozi.
Yeah. Thola bomatsala vele ma Rotman cishe onke yabo. So
wafika waba intwana nje.
Ngafike ngaba intwana. So in a way kwangikhulisa because tintfo letiningi bothola ukuthi nabadenda funa ukuthi mina nabe mhlambe sebacedzile I have to collect the coins.
But it was respect and everything,
yeah. But angisinyalo kude ngeke usakwenda kulabafana bethu manje.
Sebaba abasaboni ukuthi
uyabona. Nathi uyamtshela nabi yakutshela. Nathi thatha ama coins uthi nawe uthatha ngale. Yabo. Thina ngaleso sikhathi besingabodi.
Nathatha ama coins vele uthatha ama coins.
Ulalele Rotman ukuthi seyikhulumile Rotman uthatha ama coins. Noma ngabe uyeva ukuthi uyakuhlupha lo muntu but uyaqinisa.
Yeah. Full of very obviously.